Hello friends, in this video let us see about shared variables in LabVIEW. First I am choosing a shared variable from structures and placing it on the block diagram screen. We can link the shared variable only with the variables in the project library. So first I am going to file menu. Here under new I am clicking on empty project. So a new project will open. In this project we can see our VI. So first I am saving this project by naming it as shared variable, and then I'm saving this VA also. To use the shared variable, we have to create library. So I'm doing a right click on my computer, and here under new, if I click on library, under my computer we can see a file which got created with the name untitled library. Then I'm saving this untitled library file also with the name shared variable with extension LVLIB, which means LabVIEW library. Then I'm doing a right click on this shared variable LabVIEW library file, and here under new, if I click on variable, shared variable properties dialog box will open. Here we can name the variable, select the data type and choose the type of shared variable. So we can create single process and network publish shared variable. Since now we are going to use single process shared variable, under variable type I'm choosing single process, and on data type I'm choosing double. Then on name I'm giving numeric, and if I click on OK, under shared variable library file, numeric shared variable will get created. Similarly I'm creating boolean shared variable. So again I'm doing a right click on the same shared variable LabVIEW library file, and I'm clicking on variable. So the dialog box will open. Here on data type I'm choosing boolean, and under name also I'm giving boolean, and the variable type is the same single process. And then if I click on OK, the boolean shared variable has got created under shared variable library file. In the same way I'm creating string shared variable. On data type I am choosing string, and on the name column also I am typing string. I am choosing the variable type as single process, and then I am clicking on OK. So string shared variable has got created under shared variable library. So now we have created numeric, boolean and string shared variable. Then on the block diagram screen I am clicking on this shared variable block, so we can see select variable option. If I click on this, we can see my computer. Then on my computer under shared variables we can see all the three variables which we have created. From here we can select the data type in which this shared variable is to be used. I am clicking on numeric, and so it became numeric shared variable, and this numeric shared variable is in read mode. Then I am pressing Ctrl button on the keyboard and clicking on the numeric shared variable block and dragging it. So copy of the shared variable has got created. I am once again doing the same. So another shared variable has also got created. Then I am changing the second shared variable as boolean shared variable, and the third one as string shared variable. Then I am selecting all these three shared variables, and by pressing Ctrl button on the keyboard, and I am clicking and dragging the shared variables so that copies of these shared variables can be created. And then I am changing the access mode of these three new shared variables to write mode. I am doing a right click on this shared variable, and on access mode I am choosing write. So now we can see that the arrows on the right side has changed to left side of the shared variable. The three shared variable on the left are in read mode, and the three shared variable on the right are in write mode. Then to see about shared variable properties, I am moving back to Project Explorer window. Here under shared variable library file, on boolean I am doing a right click, and if I click on properties, shared variable properties dialog box will open. In this dialog box on the left side we can see RTFIFO option, which can be enabled only while working in LabVIEW real-time environment. RTFIFO helps to avoid data loss. Single process shared variables are used in normal share of data, while network published shared variable can be used in LabVIEW real-time. Also on the left pane of the dialog box we can see other selections like variable, alarming, description, logging, network, scaling and security. We can use these categories to access the shared variable configuration options. So in this video we have seen about shared variable creation. In our next video we can continue with next topic. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support. Thank you.